Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we have a little unboxing, box opening, poly mailer opening, if you will, from our friend Chicken Hawk Farmstead here on the YouTuber. And look at this, finally getting the recognition I deserve, the Tool Deal Champion. And you know it's true because it says so on the hammer. Hammers don't lie. It's hammer time. And, by the way, I blacked out his... I didn't know if this is like a public address, like if it's something he gives out to people or not, so we had to take that out. Look at that. We got the little sticker even. Chicken Hawk Farmstead. Baghdad, Kentucky. Baghdad. Bombs over Baghdad. Just not that Baghdad. Okay. Monica's looking at me like I'm an idiot. So, it's time to open it up, see what we got.
Maybe he means he's a prepper.
Yeah.
Dad.
End of times. Zombie apocalypse. Maybe. Okay, we gotta do this very carefully. Carefully. Do not go through the meat. You only want to go skin deep here. Uh-oh. That was a close call. Oh. I don't know if you want your phone number on here, so we're going to just kind of, we're going to block the top half just because I don't know. I don't want to do something I'm not supposed to here. So we got chickenhawkfarmstead.com, which I didn't know he had a website. Now we know he has a website. And chickenhawkfarmstead@gmail.com. Oh shit, look at that. All professional like. Very proud. Even though I had nothing to do with it. Okay. Now, on to the rest. Oh shit. Uh-oh. What we got here? Bam! Oh shit. Uh-oh. Watch the knife. This sounds good. Bam! Chicken Hawk Farmstead, Baghdad, Kentucky. Boom! Oh, hang on. Yeah. Monica, help me! I'm a one-handed man here. Thank you, sir. Appreciate the t-shirt. You are a gentleman and a scholar. I don't care about what other people say about you. You're an okay guy in my book.
It's definitely thrown out some signs. I'm just saying.
The gang sign. Alright, but seriously, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe, or not subscribe. I'll put a link down below to the Chicken Hawk Farmstead YouTube channel so you can check him out.
The sign?
Dumbass. I'm going to leave that in there. Ow! Fuck! Now! Ah, violent.
All it's missing is a chicken head. You can do that part.
It's got a chicken head right there.
I'm saying you. We could send him some of that, but he probably wouldn't like it. It is a white claw, though.
No, that stuff's disgusting. I wouldn't send that to my worst enemy. Hey, we got this stuff. Hold on, we gotta move the shirt out of the way real quick.
You don't need
You brought it up. We might as well show it real quick in the video. We got this stuff. After rebate, it's 99 cents at Walgreens. White Claw. What does it say? Spiked sparkling water. Where's it? Seltzer or some shit. You have natural lime, raspberry, ruby, grapefruit, and black cherry. It is disgusting. This is the nastiest stuff I've ever put in my mouth. And I've put some nasty things in my mouth in the past. This is the worst.
That's kind of gross to know.
The worst. It's bad. Paid 99 cents
some
for
bad
it.
Stuff.
99 cents for a 12 pack. I got screwed.
Hey, one of them we made money on.
Not that one.
That's when you chose to drink.
I chose wrong.
You choose wrong a lot.